The Cooperative Research Centre Wood Innovations has teamed up with Timtech Chemicals Proprietary Limited to develop an exciting and revolutionary range of new commercial wood treatments. The technologies are based on microwave processing and a new preservative treatment plant and schedules that can apply any wood preservative, whether water, oil or solvent-based. Microwaves are used to modify the structure of wood to make the wood permeable. Wood preservative is then metered into the wood to provide a very high standard of preservative distribution. A commercial microwave pilot plant has been built at the Australian Centre for Advanced Wood Processing based at Creswick in Victoria. The plant comprises 3 100-kilowatt microwave generators and is the largest research facility of its kind in the world. The pilot plant is capable of treating round wood up to 400 millimetres in diameter and sawn timber up to 300 millimetres square. With minor modifications to the pilot plant, much larger sections and lengths can be processed. Extensive testing has proved the plant is completely safe with no microwave leakage. Depending on the commodity. So you can have radiata pine standing in a plantation and potentially within a processing time of 10 minutes have treated electricity poles manufactured and ready for use. The technology can also be used to make any wood species more permeable to assist drying and preservative treatment. However, in its first application, the technology is being used to provide very high-quality preservative treatment in radiata pine heartwood for exterior use, for example in bridge beams. The process is conveyor belt in concept and is designed to provide just-in-time treatment rather than traditional batch processing. Logs or sawn timber enter the plant through a rotating cylinder. This particular design facilitates head-to-toe processing through the microwave field to maximize productivity. The rotating cylinder allows continuous movement of logs or timber into the plant without microwave leakage. The wood is positioned inside the in-feed system using vertical and horizontal rollers. Variable speed rollers provide efficient transfer of timber through the microwave applicator to maximize throughput. Process control is relatively simple. There is a direct relationship between the amount of microwave energy needed to improve wood permeability and the moisture content of the wood. Quality control is also monitored during the process using a very simple system developed by a CRC PhD student at the University of Melbourne. The permeability of radiata pine heartwood varies enormously. Normally, it's quite difficult to get good treatment. Samples of large sections of radiata pine treated with traditional light organic treatment preservatives and traditional treatment schedules show fairly ambivalent or poor treatment. There is incomplete treatment of sapwood because of its high wood moisture content, and the heartwood is barely touched with preservative because of its refractory nature. However, once the timber has been through the microwave plant, this takes about 2 minutes. The timber is now conditioned and the soft radial tissue modified to allow preservative to penetrate through the ray tissue directly microwave conditioning. Treated timber exits the treatment cylinder ready for dispatch, while freshly microwaved material enters the treatment vessel. The new process is very cost competitive. The timber sections treated in this video require only 70 kilowatt hours per cubic metre to effect an improvement in wood permeability at a microwave power cost of $10 per cubic metre. Total automation should minimise variable costs and eliminate environmental and OH&S issues.